My big animal book. Macaw, elephant, fish, tiger cub, zebra, kitten, bear, sheep, duckling, dog, rabbit, rooster. Baby animals. Chick, lion cub, goat kid, foal, gosling, tiger cub, piglets, lamb. When I grow up, I'll be a horse. Who am I? Foal. Puppies, elephant calf, duckling, calf, bunny, kitten. When you stroke my fur, I purr. Who am I? Kitten. So cute. Pets. Pets. Rabbit, turtle, chinchilla, parakeet, fish. On my back I carry my house. Who am I? Turtle. Cat, guinea pigs, dog. My favorite toy is a squeaky mouse. Who am I? Cat. On the farm, sheep, duck, chicken, pig. I love to eat and make a mess. Who am I? Pig. Goose, turkey, goat, horse, cows, rooster. I say cock-a-doodle-doo. Who am I? The rooster. Birds. Look at all the birds. Birds. Parrot, seagull, egret, flamingo, swan, eagle, toucan. I fly through the jungle and learn to talk. Who am I? Parrot! The parrot can talk. I'm black and white with a funny walk. Who am I? Penguin, owl, ostrich, cockatoo, kookaburra, macaw, penguin. At the zoo. Chimpanzees, panda, wolf, camel, polar bear, cheetah. I'm hard to see when I'm out in the snow. Who am I? Polar bear. Zebra, gorilla, elephant, lion, snake, rhinoceros, giraffe. I carry a trunk wherever I go. Who am I? Elephant. The end. Let's read these two. My big animal book for kids who really love animals. Camel, foal, chimpanzees, lion cub, piglet, turtle. The end.